Okay guys, so this is the first time I'm coming to Udaipur and I'm absolutely in love with this place. It's super magical. All these beautiful palaces and havelis on Lake Pichola look stunning, and super excited and super thrilled for my sister's wedding. The festivities has begun, so stay tuned. Hi everyone and welcome to Leela Palace in Udaipur. Leela Palace has been awarded the best hotel in the world in 2019, I believe. Today I'm here for my sister's wedding function and I thought to take you guys behind the scenes. Right now I'm going to take you guys in the Maharaja Suite, which is the best room in the best hotel of the world. So just follow me along and we're going to see Ankita's Mehndi. Well, behind the camera is my very sweet husband. You can show yourself. So let's go. A lot of family members have already joined in. So we're going to introduce you guys to everybody. So this is the dining room at the Maharaja Suite and that's my niece Shreya. Shreya, say hi. Hi everyone. That's my aunt. Chachi, say hi.
Hi.
And these are my parents, Dad and Mom.
Hi.
As you guys can see, they are doing a lot of discussions and planning for the wedding. We are here in advance. Bhai Sahab, camera. We are here in advance because we wanted to come in and plan everything. So these guys are busy planning and preparing. We have a meeting with the events team. Dad, this is called Chai Pe Charcha, Mom is saying. So come on along, let me show you guys.
So why don't you see the pool side?
Just take them out to the pool side?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the pool side. Open. Okay. Okay. So welcome to the private pool of the Maharaja Suite. Oh my god, is this place heaven or what? I can see the view of the pool there too. Check it out. These are all private. This is a private garden of the Maharaja Suite. This is beautiful. Let's go take a look all around before I show you the rest of the room. Come on. There is this amazing marble seat over here so that you can sit down here and take in some gorgeous, breathtaking views of the pool, which is again stunning, and also of the lake over there. So pretty, right? Now come along, let's see the rest of the garden. By the way, I dressed in a pink sari because Rajasthan always reminds me of this color for some reason. Like, you know, I grew up in Rajasthan, I was born in Ajmer, so I absolutely have taken in the culture of the city since I was born. So this is the color for Rajasthan. I'm absolutely in love with this garden, and now let's head back inside the suite to discover other rooms. This is the lounge area for the entire family to hang out. I love it. Totally giving us the wedding vibes. We love these silver statues. So pretty, especially this horse. Really need the look of this room. This is so stunning. I can't even describe it, how beautiful this room is. Another gorgeous lounge area. Somebody was definitely lounging here. And I see a fruit platter over there that is butchered, unfinished actually. There's a desk over here for you to just hang out, do your important things, and let's see what this is. Oh, a lot of stationery. I love hotel stationery. Super cute, super pretty. Oh, there is like this small, cute little room over here. I think it's the powder room. I wish I had a powder room like this in my room. See, and it has a Venetian mirror. A lot of Venetian mirrors in Leela. And I personally love Venetian mirrors, so for me it's a dream.
It also includes a dreamy walk-in closet and a private massage room.
Now we have come to the bride's room. She's getting a mehndi. And let me introduce you to Ankita, the bride.
Oh, those flowers look cheap.
Jiaji, you just bought me these. Thank you. Can you show your mehndi? So pretty. Show. Cheats, it's not coming. See these elephants?
No elephants at the wedding.
Ankita's Mehndi artist is so popular and so famous. It was so hard to get a hold of her. Ankita is getting her Mehndi done 2 days before because she really wanted her to do her Mehndi. She's so nice and so easy to work with. What's your name?
Indra Verma.
And what's your Instagram?
Mehndi artist Indra Verma 12.
Perfect.
Leave a link.
So we'll leave a link, and if you guys are getting a wedding done in Rajasthan, you have to call her. She's
And
super
she
sweet.
travels all over the world.
She travels all over the world. Okay, awesome. Check out Ankita's beautiful mehndi.
She's written a shlok also behind.
Oh really? Let's see
Lots
that.
So the groom is finally here and we are on our way to receive him. So come on along.
Also inside, okay? नहीं मेरा नहीं हम आपके साथ हैं। बेटा सिम्बा को तो नहीं आया साथ में।
वो ये मूव कर रहा
आइए चलें हम लोग।
आगे चाची की मम्मी और चाची
आइए चलें। बताया चलते। आइए चलें। वही हाँ और बोलो
Yeah, man. I'm like, I came here. I was like, I need to record this moment.
Should we move now?
2 problem solvers in 1 frame.
चाची कोई बात नहीं, comfy है।
Yeah. By the way,
Seriously.
हमारी छोरी ने भी केक कर रही है।
Who's that? ये होते हैं भाई जो साइड में खाना खाते हैं चुपके से।
Ramlal and Ramleela both at your phone. Hi, Ramlal and Ramleela both at your disposal.
मैंने आपको बताया ना कि वो रामलाल है। मैंने तो रामलाल भैया किसे
Okay, so we need to have a quick events team meeting and after that hopefully we can get some rest.
एंट्री इन हर माइंड कि एक जो डेकोर वाले को उसने बोला था कि उसमें एक डोर खुलेगा, वो उसमें से निकल के आएगी, एक सम काइंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रक्चर। ना वो स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है, नहीं बन रहा है,
बन रहा है, थोड़ा कल बोल रहा था
बन रहा है। सो वो उससे आएंगे, टीचर actually would know which music to play around that time, and उस समय we can give the pyro that you're saying. Is that what we should do? Go around? Sorry, mom's calls. No.